We're going to show you how to do a DIY Tillandsia display. First, you choose which wood you want to put the Tillandsias on. There are a few different options, and today we're choosing Grapewood. Then you need your glue. This is special plant glue, your moss, and of course your Tillandsia or air plants. And the color is not natural and it will fade over time. So first you need to decide which way you want your wood to face, and then you're going to place your air plants where you think they might go. You want to have your layout down before you start gluing in case you want to change anything. You can look at it from different sides, different directions. And then you start gluing. You just need to use a little bit of glue. You can put it directly onto the wood and then place your air plant. This glue does take a few minutes to dry, so you're gonna hold it down for a while. Be careful not to press too hard on the plant as to damage it. Then you're gonna take a little bit of glue on your moss and you're just gonna cover up the side of the plant a little bit. The moss is really just decorative at this point. You can see here just a little dollop of glue. If you're using anything like hot glue, make sure you're not putting the glue directly on the plants. Again, you're going to have to hold it for a few minutes until it dries. And we're just using a little bit of moss here just to make it look a little bit nicer, to cover up where we glued on. You can see it's just a little bit of moss to cover up where we glued the plant onto the grapewood. And there you go. Care is super easy for these guys. You just soak them in water about once a week and let them completely dry upside down. Don't leave any water sitting on the plants.